and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a pre-Disney trip haul. We are going to Disney World in a few weeks. Over the last month or two, I'd say, we have been buying things and kind of putting them into a pile, all the things that we need for Disney, so today I wanted to share them with you. Okay, so we'll start with the t-shirts that we got. My husband only got one, and he has a few from our previous trips, but this is the one that he got. And this is from Etsy, and I don't remember the store, but I'll go ahead and link all of the stores and everything down below. I thought this was really cute. It's for the Jungle Cruise. It says Jungle Cruise Adventures, Exotic Cruises, Departing Daily. This shirt is by Canvas. It's super soft, and this is really a great shirt. He likes things that are not like as charactery, I guess, so that was a cute shirt that we found. Next are the shirts that I picked up. I got this one, and it just says Florida, and it has like Peter Pan and Tinkerbell right there. Can you see that? I don't love the way this shirt fits. I thought that it was going to be, I don't know, I just thought it was going to be a little different. So I don't love it. I've actually worn it a few times already to the gym. I'm not sure if I'm actually going to wear it on our trip, but I thought that it was cute. Next is this shirt, and I guess it's a tank top. Has the little castle with the Mickey cut out, but the best part is the back, and it has this adorable bow. This I know is from a shop on Etsy called Dolly's Bows, I think, and I have just been really pleased with this shirt. I wasn't sure what to expect. It said that it was shipping from overseas, so I was worried how long it would take to get here, and it actually came like really quick. I think I had it within like not even 2 weeks of when I ordered it. The shirt is so soft, and it's thick, but I don't want to say it's thick like it's too thick. It's just a really nice thicker quality that you can't like see through, which I was kind of afraid of. Sometimes these shirts that you get off of Etsy can be like super paper thin, and this is not. It is oversized, but I did think that I wanted to wear a tank underneath, like a cami, because of the way that it was cut, but actually, because I didn't want my bra to show, but actually it, when I tried it on with my racer back bra, you actually don't see it. So it is a little bit loose and flowy, but I thought it was super cute. Next might be my favorite one, and this is super big too. I probably could have gone down a size, but this is, it's pink, and it has the lanterns from Tangled, from Rapunzel. So I got this. I love Tangled. It's one of my favorite Disney movies, and I just really wanted like a Rapunzel shirt. So I'm not sure if I will wear this when we meet her, or maybe when we go take pictures by the bathroom, but this will be on a Magic Kingdom day. Next are the shirts my son got. This is the first one. He is obsessed with like the Indiana Jones Stunt Spectacular show at Hollywood Studios, and when I saw this on Etsy, I thought, oh my gosh, that's perfect. So that is really cute. He's actually worn it a few times already, and it's held up, so that's nice. Next is this one. We actually got this for our Disneyland trip a few months ago. My husband has one too, and just think it's really cute. It's just a little Pirates, I guess, of the Caribbean shirt. Next is this one, and it is Rocket from Guardians of the Galaxy with his little balloon and his Mickey hat, and it says Disney, oh yeah. So actually when I ordered this, I got this from the same shop as the Indiana Jones shirt, and I did not want it to say Disney, oh yeah on the bottom, but it came that way, and I did not want to pay to ship it back and get a new one, so it is what it is. And this shirt's actually pretty big on him, so he'll wear it for a while. Next is this one. It says Squad Goals, and it is the Seven Dwarfs. My son loves the Seven Dwarfs Mine Train. It's probably his favorite ride, so we thought that would be cute. And then from the Gap, he got these shorts. They have like Mickey on them, but they're like sweat shorts. They're terry, and they're actually pretty thick. So these are probably going to be pretty warm for him at Disney, but he may wear them one day in the evening. And then this shirt, it has a little stormtrooper on it. This is from the Gap as well. We've had this for a couple of months, but thought this would be cute in the evening, like when we change and go to dinner. He'll usually wear like a collared shirt with shorts, so thought that was cute. Okay, then I got this bag. I did a review on it. I'll go ahead and link it up above and down below. So this will be coming with me to Disney as well. Next are these ears. They're just like plastic headband ears. I got these at Target. It was part of that Disney collection and they were on clearance. I think I paid 50 cents each. I don't love them. I feel like they kind of look like I just have sunglasses on my head. My son does love them. He likes to wear the black pair. We'll probably take them on our trip, but when we come home, I'm probably going to give them to a friend of mine, has a little girl who they go to Disney and love it, so probably going to pass those on to her. As I mentioned, I love Tangled and Rapunzel, and so I got a bunch of these. They're just like little clips. I got these at Claire's with the little flowers on them, and probably my hair isn't long enough to really braid nicely. I may do a French braid and then put these in there. Probably what I'm gonna do is put my hair up into a bun and then put these around to Disney Bound as Rapunzel. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do that on the same day that I'm wearing the Rapunzel shirt or on a different day, because I'm not wearing like themed shirts every day. I have another like little romper thing with flowers on it that I may wear these instead, but I thought those were cute. Next are our magic bands. Holy mac and cheese. I think we have 9 of them. Yeah. So we have our magic bands from last year. That's these, and I have stickers on them I got off of Etsy. And I'll go ahead and see if I can link those down below. We're really happy with them. They have not come off. And then this year, we're staying at 2 different resorts during our trip, so we actually got 2 different magic bands. You can decline the magic bands, but I'm trying to collect them so I have every color so I can wear them with every outfit. So I got a pink one, and then you can see I got the little sun, like from Rapunzel, and then I have the little bit belts. I'll go ahead and link those. I got them off of Amazon, but it will, let's see. You lock in your magic band and then you put that over it. So if it comes undone, which they often do, it doesn't come off. Those have been a lifesaver. I think I got like a 12 pack for like $8. So that's mine. And then I also got a yellow one, but I haven't put any stickers on there. I am trying to decide. I saw some Snow White ones that I liked that I may end up ordering, but I have to see if they'll get here in time. But that's my other magic band. And then my son got green, and I put a little Mickey sticker on there, and he also picked up a red one. He had a gray one from last year. And then my husband also got a yellow one, and he also got a red one, and he has a gray one from last year. And then these are the little bit belts. Just have them in a plastic bag. They come in assorted colors, so we kind of switch them out, but that's what they are. You can also use them on your Fitbit. I think that might be where they get the bit part from. But next, I picked up one of these. I don't think we're probably going to use it. It's one of these frog togs. It's the cooling towel that you like get. Oh, it's super hard. You get it wet and then you kind of like wrap it around you to cool off. I bought one off of Amazon to see if it worked, and I did use it on a humid day here. I'm not sure it really did anything, but I am going to take it. Then I picked this up off of Amazon as well. It is like a little drying rack and a brush set. We are in the dining plan on this trip, so we're gonna get the refillable mug, and I just wanna make sure that I wash them out every day nicely, because probably what's gonna happen is we're gonna fill them up, we're gonna take them into the parks, they're gonna be there all day with us, and so at night when we come back, I just wanna be able to really disinfect them. So I have a little travel dish soap that I'll be taking with us as well. But I thought that was kind of cute. I wish that I would have had this like when my son was younger and we had bottles. But actually, when we do travel anywhere, we always take his sippy cups, so I know that this will get a lot of use. The last thing that we're bringing are glow sticks. You can buy glow sticks in the parks. They're outrageously expensive. So what I do is I either get them at Dollar Tree or I watch at Target. Usually right after the 4th of July, all of the Target glow sticks go 50% off, so I get them for like 25, 50 cents. This year I actually got these, which are cool. These are like Disney headbands, mouse ears. But these, the part right here are actually glow. They glow. So I got a red one, 2 blue ones, and a white one. I thought that my son would probably wear them too. They were $1. I got them for half off, so they were 50 cents each. Super cheap. Thought they were cute. And then I have other glow sticks. These are glow bracelets. These were 50 cents. I wish I had more of these. I'm going to try to pick some more up because we take these into the park every night, and while we're waiting in line or waiting for fireworks or something, my son and I will pop these and wear them, and it's kind of fun. And usually if there's other kids around us, their kind of eyes light up, and so I try to share with everyone. So I need to go pick some more of these up before we go, but they're 15 in a pack. And then I got him these this year. We have not had these before. So these are like sticks, glow sticks that have like a little pop on the end. So I have a Iron Man, Mickey and the Roadster Racers, Captain America, and a Finding Dory one. These I got at Dollar Tree, so they were $1 each. I got 4 of them. We're there for 6 nights. That's probably all we need, but I thought that was a good find. Those were the items that I picked up specifically for this trip. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I would love for you to subscribe if you have not already. I post videos every Tuesday and Friday. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.